Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python function that uses a lambda function to find the sum of first 10 natural numbers. So given the value of n as 10, so you have to find the sum of first 10 natural numbers. So in order to solve this, so you should remember the formula to find the sum of first 10 natural numbers. So this is the formula, that is sum equals to n multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 2. So this is the formula. So in order to find the sum of first 10 natural numbers, so you have to just replace the value of n by 10. So let's try to solve this using the Python program. So let me take a lambda function, that is sum underscore. So let's give some name. So let me give nn. So this is a natural number, that is sum of nn, that is natural number. So equals to, so let me take a lambda, that is a keyword, and give the value n. So lambda of n. So we will be writing a generic function, so not specific to the 10. So we'll be writing that is n, and so we have to write this formula, that is implement the formula in our function, that is lambda of n. So you have to return, that is n multiplied by the value n plus 1, and let's take the braces. So in order to understand it clearly, that is n multiplied by n plus 1, the whole thing divided by 2. So this is the lambda function to find the sum of first n natural numbers. So now let's take in the main program, so let's take the number and ask a user to enter the value of n, so that is a 10, and try to print it. So let's take a variable number and let's ask a user to enter the value of n. So let's say, and this is of type integer, so let's convert it into an integer type using the type conversion. So once we get the value of n, that is a number, so let's directly call the function. So using the print function call, so let me directly use the print, and let me copy this, that is the sum of first. So let's modify this 10 with the number. So let's use a print formatting. So instead of 10, so I'll just mention the given number. So let me copy and paste it over here, and let's directly call the function. So in order to call the function, so let's take this name, that is sum underscore nn. So this is my function, and let's paste it over here, and let's give the input argument, that is n, as number. Yeah, so this is a 3-line code to solve the, that is to find the sum of first n natural number. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So enter the value of n. So let's give 10. So you can see the sum of first 10 natural numbers is 55. So if you try to calculate the manual, that is n is 10 and n plus 1 is 11, that is 10 multiplied by 11, the whole thing divided by 2 will give you the 55 as a value. Closing it. So let me give some other number. So instead of 10, so if something is mentioned like 11 or 55, so you can modify it accordingly. So you can see the sum of first 11 natural numbers is 66. Closing it. Let me execute it, and let's give something like 55. So you can see the sum of first 55 natural numbers is 1540. So instead of taking the input value, so you can just replace the 10. So this is a complete Python program for calculating the first 10 natural numbers. So I have hard coded the value over here. So executing it. So you can see 55 has been printed. So if you want to have user input, you can use the input function. Else if you want to have hard coded, so just give 10 over here. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program that uses the Lambda function to find the sum of first 10 natural numbers. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.